Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Try this one more time. Over here, Lewis!
Hey, man.
Jeff! Hey, Lightning! Can you believe this part?
I'll keep an eye on him. Well, thanks, Doc. I've been feeling a core glow. Is that everything?
Whoa! What do you have at your store?
I have gas.
It goes to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
I'm happy followed the racing my entire life, for my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning!
Hold on tight!
He just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Who be jamming now?
Aquí recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
No lo disfrutaría más ni venciendo a McQueen en persona. Un segundo, ya lo hice.
Slokje water. Ja, je motor gaat drinken. Neem nou een slokje water.
Ook die hikken zo.
Clear the way. Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Thanks, Doc.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
My name is Tayo. This is my first time taking the test.
My name is Mater. My name is Mater. Mater. Huh.
Deal.
The deal was you fix the road, not make it worse. I'll scrape it off. Start over again.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make roulette.
Like the flame job. Maybe ghost flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just...
Con questi bolloni del cavolo, le minicar non funzionano.
What's he saying? What's wrong?
None of it.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's so...
Between you and Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself with Pope.